Good evening, friends. Welcome to my channel Nifty se aage. For the benefit of my South Indian friends who have requested me to give a knowledge of tomorrow's levels numbers in English, the strategy should be very simple, friends. If you are a call buyer, you should look at an opportunity to buy a call if the Nifty trends above 14,600, around 14,625 to 14,650. In that case, it can always attempt to cross 14,700 once again, as it has done in the last two trading sessions. So that is an opportunity for the call buyer, but you should be taking a covered call with strict stop loss of 30 points, and you should be trailing the stop loss because you really don't know, the market can reverse around 14,700 or lower towards 14,550 or so. Like you remember, on Friday, the market, after trending towards 14,700, suddenly fell in 45 minutes to 14,590 at close. So that is for the call buyers. For the put buyers, if the market opens gap down around 14,550 and starts trending towards 14,500 and decisively breaks it, you can take a 14,500 put and trail your stop loss with a covered put. That is for the put buyers. Now coming to the sellers, if you are a seller, then around 14,650 to 14,700 you might get an opportunity to sell the call for 14,700. It will give you good benefit because the market will face a lot of resistance at 14,700 tomorrow, with lot of bad news coming in. It will be very difficult for the market to surpass 14,700, though it's not impossible. But still, around 14,700 you can look at selling the call for 14,700. And in case the market starts trending downwards towards 14,550 and then 14,500, then you can decisively take a decision to sell 14,600 call, and as the market reaches 14,400 you can also take a decision, a calculated decision, to sell 14,000 put, but not anything above 14,000, friends, because of the simple reason that if Nifty trends below 14,500, it can actually go up to 14,400, and then if it breaks that crucial resistance support, then it can go down to 14,350, 320, then maybe to 14,250, which was the recent lows. And if it breaks 14,250 tomorrow, it can actually go up to 13,960. But in case around 14,300, if you are making a position for 14,000 put selling, it can be a calculated decision because the market may bounce back from any of these levels and may not necessarily go towards 14,000. I leave it to your wisdom. I would suggest selling the call for 14,600 if the market starts trending downwards. I never suggest selling puts, but you can take a calculated decision. Friends, I would also like to inform that this is not a buy sell call, neither am I suggesting anything to you. It's your hard earned money. You have to take the decision. You should consult your financial advisor also. Use your own wisdom. I am here to give you a direction and to guide you. If you like my channel, share it with your friends, subscribe to my channel, and if you want to join my WhatsApp group, my number is 90739 15315. I am going to give you a free trial for the whole month of May without taking any single rupee from you. I will be giving you tips for everyday intraday trade as well as positional trades. So friends, if you want to join my WhatsApp group, please WhatsApp me on 90739 Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day tomorrow. Thank you.